Welcome back. Trying to keep cool has been the order of the day across most of the country, and sadly there's not much relief in sight just yet. But for many it's more than just uncomfortable, with the heatwave causing serious health concerns.
Okay, everybody wind it up, let's go home, it's too hot.
I can't expect anybody to work in this oven.
It's too dark.
It is so hot.
It's the horror heat wave that's got Australia in a sweat. We're being warned to keep our cool.
Heat is the biggest worldwide killer of all the natural disasters.
The mercury topped 45 degrees in Adelaide, 41 in Melbourne and 30 in Sydney and Brisbane, with fires breaking out in Victoria, New South Wales and South Australia.
We'll have the combination of very hot temperatures, winds ahead of the change, low humidities, which will be extremely hazardous as far as fires are concerned.
Roseworthy in South Australia was the hottest place in the country, with temperatures reaching 46 degrees. And that's not all Mother Nature has in store. Alistair Hainsworth from the Bureau of Meteorology says there's a potential cyclone developing off the Coral Sea.
It doesn't appear at this stage as though it's going to affect mainland parts of Australia. However, it could affect Lord Howe or Norfolk Island during the early parts of next week.
Paul Holman from Ambulance Victoria says those particularly at risk from the soaring temps are our youngest and oldest Aussies.
You leave your children in the car, you may as well put a gun to their head. It's that dangerous.
The residents of this retirement village in Melbourne have the right idea.
You can have a lick.
90-year-old Maria Perez says the key is to stay inside.
It's too hot outside.
The body needs time to cool down, and if it doesn't get time to cool down, then it just exacerbates all those already existing illnesses, particularly the patients with respiratory or heart or any of those chronic diseases.
There's no end in sight just yet. Tomorrow it's set to reach 46 degrees in Adelaide and 44 in Melbourne. The cool change won't hit the hottest cities until late Friday.
It's too dark hot.